Alchemistic Creatives presents New Moon Guided Meditation by Lindsey Latham. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and the little dingy bell so you'll be notified every time I post any psychic development exercises or new meditations in alignment with the collective energies in the present moments. All right, now that that's out of the way, the focus of this meditation is to activate the intentions that sit deep beneath your most wanted manifestations. So not only are we going to be figuring out what your most wanted manifestations are for this new moon happening tonight, we are also going to bring awareness to the intentions behind wanting those manifestations and activate them. So, find a comfortable position somewhere where you are going to be non-disturbed and you can relax completely, whether it be sitting up, laying down, you do you, lay in bed if you want. It doesn't matter as long as you are completely relaxed. So take a few moments to get there, and when you get there, close your eyes and start to focus inward, which the best way to do that is to focus on your breathing. Inhaling through the nose and exhaling gently. Inhale through the nose, pausing at the top of the inhale and exhaling gently. Now I want you to keep this breath going, the inhaling, pausing, and then exhaling. While you do so, I want you to bring your awareness to where your body is touching the ground beneath you. Whatever position you are in, whatever part of your body is touching the ground or the bed or the chair, just whatever your body is coming up against, focus intently on that space where your body meets the ground beneath you. Feel the heaviness in your body and how supported you are by what you are propped up on or laying on. How this energy matter just so perfectly fits beneath you and supports your relaxation and time of introspection. After reflecting on this feeling for a few more moments, start to envision roots growing out of your body that is touching the ground, roots growing down from your body, down through the layers of the earth, down to the core of the earth. Once you get to the core of the earth, you realize that the core of the earth is a big ball of fire resembling the sun, resembling source energy. While you notice this beautiful, shiny, fiery energy, you also notice that it is flowing up the roots, through the cores, through the layers of the earth, up into your body on the earth's surface. Your body is filling up with source energy, pure love, pure light, pure essence of all creation, filling your body, mental, emotional, spiritual, physical, so much that it's pouring out of your body and surrounding you with bliss. Now that your vibration is high and peaceful, serene, take your awareness to the core of your soul. Ask yourself, where is the deepest rooted part of me? Where is my soul? Where is my spirit? Allow your awareness to show you where that space exists in the vastness of your inner being, which is you, the creator of all manifestations and all situations in this lifetime. Ruminate in your extrasensory awareness and ability to absorb the energy and the frequency that exists at the deepest center of your soul being, your highest healing, your highest form of consciousness. This is where you are right now. This is where you create all manifestations, all intentions, all life's intricate involvements and relationships. This is where your deepest desires for living exist. What are they? What do you want? What goals do you have for this coming lunar cycle? The new moon is a time to set intentions and get the ball rolling on specific manifestations that you want to see formulate and materialize in your life. So that is what we are here to do. What are those manifestations, first off? What are the top 2 manifestations that you want most right now at this time in your life and reality? Take a few moments to bring into your awareness, in this deep level of consciousness, what those are. Always remembering to breathe. And if at any moment you get taken out, you get distracted, just bring your awareness back to your breath. It will immediately take you back to the deep place that we are in. Don't let your egoic, logical mind try and tell you otherwise. Just observe its antics. Giggle at your mind. Let it go. Focus on your breath. Now, what are the intentions behind those manifestations? Why do you want them? Why? Do you want more love in your life? Do you want more financial freedom? Do you want easier relationships? More relationships? Why do you want these manifestations? Are they coming from good intentions? If you realize that they're not, I urge you to adjust your manifestations and intentions more in alignment with your highest good and healing. Now that you have brought into your awareness your manifestations for this new moon and the intentions behind them, now we activate. And the way that we activate the intentions leading to the manifestations is we ruminate in the higher self vibration of being in the manifestation right now and knowing that you did this activation, therefore it's activated and you need do nothing else beside listen to your intuition, listen to your pings from the universe, and take aligned action toward your manifestations. Bringing your awareness to your breath. Breathe in, repeating to yourself, activate. Exhale, activated. Inhale, activate. Exhale, activated. One more time. Inhale, activate. Exhale, activated. Breathe normally, sending love to all involved in these manifestations. Whoever your manifestations in your perceived consciousness at this point is going to affect in any way, shape, or form, I want you to take a few moments right now to send love to all that is involved with this manifestation. Send love and gratefulness, thanking yourself, thanking all involved, thanking the ancestors, thanking your lineage, bringing the deepest, strongest form of grateful energy into your conscious awareness and existing in that beautiful energy, that emotional, loving energy. Knowing deep in your heart, soul, mind, and physical reality, that source, which is you, which is within you, which is within everything, has your best interest always and is always articulating your reality in ways that you could not plan in physical reality. When you are ready, please start to awaken your awareness by wiggling your toes, your fingers, or fluttering your eyelashes. You know, just waking up your body gently and opening your eyes when you're ready. I am so pleased to have shared this time with you. I get emotional. Have a beautiful new moon, and please subscribe, like, comment. If there's something specific you would like me to make a guided meditation on, please post it in the comments below. I am taking suggestions and I would love to assist you. Be sure to check out the other guided meditations I have, and the links in my bio, or the links, you know, all the links. You guys know the gist. You know what's up. Okay, have a beautiful month